Hi, you guys. I'm Shreya and I'm recording my day zero video. This actually is not my first video on YouTube. I've made 3 videos before, but it feels like I'm starting again because I made my last video months ago. Just to introduce myself, I'm Shreya. I'm a self-taught product designer, and I don't even feel qualified to call myself that a, right now because I haven't done anything for the past 6 months. So, for some context, I studied interior and furniture design in college, and this was 10 years ago. I'm 29 and a half to this day. So, in the past 3.5, 4 years, I've worked at almost 4 startups, and I've tried freelancing. I've done a full time job. I've created content for a year and a half or so. I felt like my career was at my peak. A lot of days I would feel like, really, is this my life? Like, how did I get here? Like, at just 3-4 years ago, I had no idea what I was doing, and it just feels too good to be true. And that's genuinely how I would feel. And I just quit that job 6 months ago because I was too burnt out. And what have I been up to in the past 6 months? Making puzzles, making posters, making coasters, doing some painting here and there. A lot of random shit. This is not what I planned to do with my break. It was not even a break actually. Like when I quit my job, I thought I would start freelancing and making content and make that whole self-employed design type thing. But just the minute I quit my job, my motivation tanked completely, and I just let myself go. And the difference this time and the last time when I was here is that last time, like when I was 25, I was so hardcore. Like I would go to the gym for 2 hours every day. I would read so many self-help books, and I was all about building habits, and I actually taught myself product design and all of that. But this time around, I feel like I've become such a different person, and that makes me so nervous because it's like, how did I do that before? Like, was I the same person I am right now? Because right now I realize that life for me right now is a little bit cushioned. Like I have a bit of savings and I have skills, although I don't feel like using those skills at all. But the last time I was kind of fighting. Like I had no idea what my career would be. I was single. I was working on myself. I was working to make a personality of my own. And this time around, I'm engaged. I do have some skills. So I don't have that fire anymore, and I'm scared because I don't have that fire anymore. And okay, also the break sounds great, right? Like it was great. I did a lot of traveling. I spent a lot of quality time with my loved ones. It was great. But after those activities are done, I was just left with this feeling of what next? Like how am I going to come out of this hole? I can't keep doing this. Like I can't do nothing forever. So that those thoughts have just been making me so nervous. So even though it feels like it's great and taking a break is so great, but waking up in the morning not knowing what to do is not fun actually. It's been 6 months. I didn't do anything. I was like, let be. It's okay. The motivation will come. The motivation will come, and it just didn't. It did not come. And also this time around, I felt like the last time when I was feeling this, I read so many self-help books. I've read everything. What more is there to read? Like I already know what to do. I'm just not able to do it. So I'll just wait for when I feel like doing something. So I didn't even read anything. I didn't try to help myself out basically. But right now, like I was just feeling that pressure because I was like, I have to figure something out. Like I cannot enter my 30s doing nothing. So I always have a copy of Atomic Habits. So I did start reading that, and I went back to the person I was listening to a lot the last time I felt like this, which is Mel Robbins. And I saw this one particular video which was extremely helpful. I'm going to link it down. And it spoke about how it's very common to feel like that, especially when you're entering ages of like ending with a 9. So 19, 29, 39, 49 and so on, where you're questioning the meaning of life. And you just, because we're used to counting in tens, we kind of retrospect on the whole year. And I'm also a person who does not have a lot of like purpose or a bigger purpose in life, or who thinks that life is very meaningful. I'm kind of nihilistic. So I have to convince myself of some kind of meaning on my own again and again. Like every 3 months, I'm questioning everything. It's very exhausting to be in my brain. But yeah, anyway, so I read that book and then I watched that video. And the most important thing it said was that you need to have a goal to work towards. And even though during the past 6 months my goal was to create content, I did not do it because Instagram was feeling too overwhelming for me. I did not open LinkedIn. Everything was feeling too much. So I did not open any of my social media, hence I did not even create anything. And then I decided that I'll just do YouTube, because every time I write about something or I envision my future, YouTube's always there. But I was just not taking any steps. So this is day 0 and I'm going to make one video every 2 weeks. That's my challenge to myself. By the time I'm 30, which is on June 3rd, I hope to have 13 videos up on YouTube. What on YouTube? I genuinely don't know. I don't know. It's just that I want to do YouTube. So it's mostly going to be how I'm figuring my path out for the coming months and what I want to do in my future, and probably life in my 30s. I don't know. And also I have this motivation because for the past 2 days I've started going to the gym. 2 days, yes. It will be such an honor if you join me on my journey, because I do want to take YouTube seriously and I love watching YouTube videos. I hope you can come along, and I hope you find something through my struggles, and I hope you can chime in on some of my situations and whatever. And I hope you find comfort in watching these videos. And also, like in the video that I watched yesterday, I know that a lot of people feel stuck. So if you're feeling stuck, you're not alone. I'm right there with you, and I hope you can figure it out too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.